Hello, Ma'am Tin.
Hello, Ma'am Tin.
Okay.
Hello, Ma'am Tin.
Okay, mag-start na ang
Okay.
recording. Hello, Ma'am Joy. Good
Hello,
morning.
Ma'am Joy. Good morning.
Ma'am Joy, can you off now your audio?
Now your
Okay, let's start. Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm Cristina C. Fabricante, your mathematics teacher from Matangad National High School. This is an online class to be observed by 3 observers from Matangad National High School, namely Sir John Pil Akot, Teacher 3 from Matangad National High School. Another one, Ma'am Nami G. Batalya, still Teacher 3 from Matangad National High School. And our school in charge, Ma'am Joycelyn C. Fabricante. Okay, today, let us explore and enjoy another learning and meaningful experiences as we tackled on the topic addition and subtraction of integers. Okay, so before the introduction of the lesson for the day, I will give the overview of the learning objectives for this session. Okay, Queenie, kindly read the learning objectives for number 1. Queenie? Okay. Okay, Queenie is not yet connected, no? Naputol si Queenie. So let us proceed to Noreen. Noreen? Kindly read for the learning objective number 1.
Learning objective. Learn the basic concept in solving the addition and subtraction of integers.
Okay, thank you, Noreen. How about number 2? We have Abigail. Number 2, Gail, kindly read the learning objective for this session.
Show mastery in performing the addition and subtraction of integers.
And the last one, number 3. Number 3 is We have Glyza Salvan. Right, kindly read learning objective number 3. Glyza. Oh, how about Charmaine? Charmaine Felicitas, please read number 3.
Apply the concept and knowledge and operation of addition and subtraction of integers in solving real-life situations.
Okay, very good. Thank you. These are the 3 learning objectives in this session. So now I will let you watch and listen the downloaded video clip. I hope that you are interested and feel motivated in this presentation. Okay, wait for a minute. I'm just preparing the audio. Did you hear the sound?
No, ma'am.
Did you hear the sound?
Wala, ma'am.
Wala
Oh,
po.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, did you hear the sound? Did you hear the music?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes,
did you hear
ma'am.
the music?
ma'am. Waiting ho.
Okay, wait for a while ha, kay nagpaan pa mi. Just continue, just concentrate the concept so that you can get the concepts on this presentation. Okay, just focus. I'm sorry for the audio ha. Usahay ang panahon dili mo oyo nato. Okay, just continue watching. Just watch, not listen. Just focus. Okay, that is for the video clip. I'm sorry for the audio. Okay, so let us proceed. So the video presentation shows the basic concepts on how to add and subtract integers. To learn more about the lesson, I will let you analyze the activity number 1 entitled Moving Up. Anybody from the group to read the given situation? Any volunteer? Any volunteer
ma'am.
from the group?
Ako, ma'am.
Or Johnny Maglangit. Kindly read the given situation.
Imagine that you go up 7 steps to a 3-story building using the stairs. After a short pull, you move up 5 steps more.
Okay, I will repeat the situation. Imagine that you go up 7 steps to a 3-story building using the stairs. After a short pause, you move up 5 steps more. Okay, so there are 2 questions here. How many steps are you from the ground? Okay, Noreen, what is the answer?
12 steps.
How many steps?
12 steps.
There are
12 steps from the ground.
12 steps from the
Ground.
ground. Okay. How do you come up with the result? How do you come up with the result, Queenie? Hello, Queen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. According to Noreen, the result, the how many steps are you from the ground? So according to Noreen, there are 12 steps. Okay. How do you come up with the result?
By adding the two given numbers.
Hello, Queen. I cannot hear your voice.
By adding the two given number of steps.
By adding that two
Given number of
given
steps.
steps. Okay, very good. By adding the 2 given steps. Okay, another question here. The go up 7 steps. Is it positive or negative?
Positive. Positive.
Any volunteer? We have okay,
Ako, ma'am.
Glyza. Gly? 7 steps represents what? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
How about Abigail?
Positive, ma'am.
Abigail? Okay, let's proceed. Let's go back to Noreen. Okay, nobody's responding. I cannot
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
you. Hello, Noreen.
Yes, ma'am.
Noreen, how about Queenie?
Ma'am,
Okay. Queenie, continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for 7 steps, it represents what? Is it positive or negative?
Positive, ma'am.
Okay, positive. Very good. How about 5 steps?
Also positive, ma'am.
Also positive. Very good. That's why the answer is 12 steps. So
Wow.
12 steps represent positive. Okay, going up. So going up is positive. Going down is
Negative.
negative. Very good. Okay, so let us proceed to the next. I will give you here an example. Try to observe example number 1. Okay. Anybody from the group to explain the result? Any volunteer?
Ako, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Pero,
Yes, explain number 1. Why it said that the answer is positive 11?
because positive 5 plus positive 5 is 11, which means you will add the two number and it is equal to 11.
Okay, how about number 2?
Ako, ma'am.
Okay, Noreen.
The answer is -9 because if you add -5 plus -4, the answer is -9 because they have the same sign. They are like signs. So proceed to addition.
Okay, very good. So the answer is -9. Okay, so for number 1 and number 2, for number 1, so 6 is positive and 5 is also positive. So the result is also positive. Very good. Same with number 2, the given sign for 5 is negative and also for 4 is negative and the result is negative. Very good. How about number 3? Any volunteer from number 3? Where's Abigail? Number 3, Abigail. Or Mary Rose, number 3. Mary Rose, I cannot hear you. Let's have another one. How about Joey Maglangit, number 3? Kindly explain number 3. Why is it that the result is positive 4?
Positive 7 plus -3 is equal to positive 4 because opposite sign.
Okay, they have opposite sign. Then proceed.
That and the answer is positive 4.
Oh, what you're going to do? What you're going to do to make it positive 4?
Add add the add the numbers.
What is the sign of 7?
Positive,
How about 3?
negative.
What you're going to do to make it positive 4?
7 minus 3,
7 minus 3 equals?
positive 4.
Okay, 4. Or 7 minus 3 equals 4. Why is it that the result is positive? Why is positive siya, Kai?
May positive man ang 7, ma'am.
Very good. Because 7 is greater than 3. So we have to follow the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so let us proceed to number 4. Okay, number 4, we have Charmin Felicitas. Charmy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you explain why is it that the answer for number 4 is -3? Can you elaborate?
Paano, ma'am? Ang kay na ko nga number kay 8 plus negative 8 plus
Ano ang negative?
ang gamay kay positive 5 so maong napasagpan ma'am ang answer negative 3 kay
Kay? Okay, how about ang 8 is negative and 5 is positive. So, same ba ang ilang sign?
No.
dili ma'am.
So, therefore, we have to, if the two teacher is having different sign, what you're going to do?
Subtract. Subtract.
Okay, very good. Subtract, then
Copy the sign of the
Copy.
biggest number.
Use the biggest.
Copy the biggest kuan ma'am.
biggest.
Copy
Okay,
copy the
continue.
sign the biggest number ma'am.
Very good. Okay. For number 3 and number 4, have you noticed that the two integers have different signs? So therefore, you have to subtract, then follow the sign of the bigger than number. Very good. How about number 5? Any volunteer for number 5?
Ako, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Queenie.
Ma'am,
Okay, number 5, can you elaborate why is it that the result is 0?
38 plus negative 11 plus negative 27 equals 0.
Why?
First, you need to add the two like sign,
Okay,
which is negative 11 plus negative 27 equals negative 38.
very good. Then,
Proceed. So, 38 plus negative 11 equals 0 because they have an unlike sign, so you need to subtract them.
okay, so for number 5, correct, that is 0. Why is it 0? Because you're going to add same sign, negative 11 plus negative 27 equals negative 38. Then, positive 38 to be added to negative 38. The answer is 0. Very good. How about the last one, number 6? We have, I want Johnny Maglangit to explain number 6.
17 plus negative 35 plus 13 equals negative 5.
Why?
First is we have to add negative 35 plus 13, positive 13 equals negative 22.
Then,
Then add
negative 22 will be
Then-
added to
17
plus.
equals negative 5.
Okay. Or another process can be also positive 17 plus positive 13 equals positive 30. Can be, right? Then positive 30 plus
ma'am.
negative 35 equals negative 5. Why? Because they are unlike
Sign.
sign. Okay. So, after observing or analyzing example number 1, you can come up with what? A rules. Okay, this one. Okay, Noreen, kindly read the rules, the 2 rules. Noreen.
Rules. A number and its negative cancel each other under the operation of addition. If the integers have the same signs, just add the positive equivalence of the integers and attach the common sign to the result.
Okay, very good. Okay, this is the first rule. A number and its negative cancel each other under the operation of addition. So, mo to siya nahitabo ganina sa positive 38 and negative 38. So, the result is 0. So, the second one rule, if the integers have the same signs, just add the positive equivalence of the integers and attach the common sign to the result. Same with example number 1 and number 2. Another rule, Queenie. Okay, Queenie, are you there? Kindly read rules number 2. Okay, Queenie. Okay, please mute your microphone, please. I will only hear the voice of Queenie.
Ma'am,
Okay, kindly read the rules.
number 1, ma'am.
Yes, and number 2.
Number 2, rules. Rule number 2, if there are more than 2 addends in the problem, the first step to do is to combine addends with sum signs and then get the difference of their sums.
Okay, so the first one, kindly read the first one. The first one, Queenie. Nalaktod ka, Queen. If the integers. Okay, so this is the rule. Okay, these are the rules. If the integers have different signs, get the difference of the positive equivalence of the integers and attach the sign of the larger number to the result. And the last one rule, if there are more than 2 addends in the problem, the first step to do is to combine addends with same signs, okay? Na nahitabo sa last nato, di ba? Na siya nahitabo sa last. Ato ni siya combine number 5 and number 6. Combine same signs, then we have combine same signs and then get the difference of their sums. Okay. So try to observe the next slide, activity number 2. Use the rules to add integers. Okay, the instruction is find the sum of the following. Okay, you can write your answer in the chat box. Okay, I will give you time to answer for number from 1 to 8. Then I will call your name. Okay, for number 1. Okay, for number 1, where is Raymond? Okay, Raymond. Raymond is on board. Raymond, where are you? Wala si Raymond? Okay, we have Mary Rose. Answer number 1, Mary Rose.
9, ma'am.
Okay, what is the sign?
Positive.
Okay, positive 9. Very good. How about number 2? We have Glyza.
Yes, ma'am.
Gly?
Eto sa apil.
Number 2, Gly.
Ma'am na, ma'am.
Okay, Mon. Okay. Next na lang ka, Mon. How about number 2, Glyza? What's the answer for number 2?
Yes, ma'am. Na ako, ma'am.
Give the sum of -7 and -6. What is the answer?
Ma'am, ako.
Okay, what's the answer, Gly?
Wala sila.
Okay, sige. Wala si Glyza. Okay, Mon. Ikaw, Mon. Ganina ra kasi sikat si Raymond.
Positive 11, ma'am.
What's the answer, Mon?
Positive
What?
11.
Number 2?
Positive 11.
Is it positive 11 ang number 2? Kindly
No.
check.
No,
Kindly check, Mon. That is 7 and 6. 11 di ay si 7 o si 6, Mon? Okay. Raymond, where are you, Raymond? Munding.
Nagan.
Nag-gone si Munding.
Where's?
He's gone. Okay, he's gone. I'm sorry. How about Abigail? Gail? For number 2, Gail, what is the correct answer for number 2? Oh, wala si Abigail. Another, okay. Agail, Nakagail. Okay. What's the answer for number 2?
Imon man eh.
Sorry. Si Johnny. Johnny Maglangit, John. Number 2, what's the answer?
Positive 13, ma'am.
Positive 13, why?
Negative 7 plus negative 6 equals positive 13 kay parehas sa silang sign, ma'am.
O, papareho na sila sign. What is the sign? Positive, negative.
Negative.
O, so the answer is?
Negative.
Negative 13.
Oh, negative 13, not positive 13. Just copy the common sign and add. Okay, how about number 3? I want Abigail. Wala yung si Abigail. Ronnie is on board.
Wala, ma'am.
Oh, wala. So, mingaw na kita ng, they're gone. Okay, so let's proceed to Queenie. Okay, Queen, how about number 3?
5 plus negative 3 equals positive 2.
Positive 2, very good. How about number 4? Noreen. Let's
Ako,
go.
ma'am.
Yes.
Negative 9 plus positive 6 equals negative 3.
Very good. How about number 5? Raymond, let's go back to Raymond. Balik na siguro si Raymond.
Negative 2, ma'am.
Number 5, is it negative 2?
Number 5.
Number 5, come on. We're done with number
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, what is the answer?
Wala siya, ma'am.
Again, it's gone.
4 plus negative 4 equals
Equal? The answer mo for number 5. Nagana sa si Raymond?
Tanasad. Balik na sad.
Again, he's gone. Let's go back to Queen. Queen, what's the answer? For number 5.
0. 5, ma'am.
Yes. Number 5 is 0. Very good. How about number 6, Noreen?
0.
Okay, let's
0.
go back to
Yung
Queenie.
ba?
Number 7.
Negative 10.
Okay, number 7 is...
Negative.
Okay, number 7 is negative 10. Very good. How about the last one? Number 8. I want... Try May. Felicitas. Number 8.
11, ma'am.
11.
Huh?
Kindly check your answer. Is it 11 is correct?
Ma'am?
Number 8.
Correct, ma'am.
Correct, number 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's try for number 8. Positive 25 plus positive 21. Pila?
9. 1, ma'am. 46.
46. Okay. Negative 18 o positive, negative 9. That is negative
7.
27. And positive 46.
Positive 11.
What? What's that?
19, ma'am.
Positive 19.
Positive 19.
Positive 19 is what? Kay positive for 25 o 1, that is positive 46. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then negative 18 and negative 9, the answer is negative
Negative
27.
27.
So we're going to subtract since they have different signs.
Negative 19.
Negative
Signs.
9.
Positive 46 minus
Negative
46 minus 25. Pila? That is
27, ma'am.
pila?
27, ma'am.
46 minus negative I plus negative 27 equals positive
19.
Ay, sa balik ka nga, nung ga-plus man ka, si 25 o si 21, positive na siya 46. Right?
Yes,
Kung
ma'am.
i-add po nimo si negative 18 o si negative 9, ang resulta negative 27. Same ba ang sign ni positive 46 and negative 27? Pareha ba silang sign?
Dili.
Dili. So all you
Dili.
have to do is what? Subtract.
Subtract.
Okay. So 46 minus 27, pila?
Positive 19.
Positive 19.
Answer is 19. Okay, dinitan ta sa sign. Okay, 46 is greater than 27, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
have to follow the sign of
46.
46, which is positive.
Positive.
Okay, so the answer is positive
Positive
19.
19. Okay, that is for number 8. So to recap, so number 1 is positive 9.
Right.
Number 2 is negative 3, like negative 13. Then number 3 is positive 2. Number 4 is negative 3. Number 5 is 0. Number 6 is also 0. Number 7 is negative 10. And number 8 is positive
Positive 9.
19. Okay. That is for, okay, finding the sum of 2 or more integers. So the next slide is the real application for addition of integers. Okay, so the concept, or let us apply the basic concepts in adding integers in real life experiences. Okay, let's go back to Noreen. Kindly read the situation, Noreen, for activity number 3.
Mrs. Reyes charged 3,752 pesos worth of groceries on her credit card. Find her balance after she made a payment of 2,530.
Okay. So anybody from the group, what is the
Ako,
answer?
ma'am.
Yes,
Ako, ma'am.
Queenie. Yes, Queenie.
The balance of Mrs. Reyes is 1,222 pesos.
Okay, how do you derive or come up with that answer?
3,752 minus 2,530 equals 1,222.
So, napa siya balance, napa siya nabilin.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it positive or negative?
Positive, ma'am.
So, naapa siya nabilin, wala siya
Kautang.
nakautang. So, naapa siya nabilin na kwarta sa iyaang wallet. Okay. So, since this is a basic concept no, in adding integers for in solving the real life problems, so let us integrate this situation in other subject. Let us integrate. What subject na makakonect na to ani nga situation in adding integers? What subject aside from mathematics?
Science.
Science.
Science, it can be. Okay, how about the other subject aside from science?
Kukiri, ma'am.
What?
Kukiri.
Cockery,
English,
very
ma'am.
good. Cockery, that's TLE, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
TLE. Okay, Noreen, can you elaborate why is it that this mathematics lesson connected to TLE, particularly TLE?
So, sa kukiri, in terms of pag magluto or laboratory is tagaag budget. Tapos, same sa activity 3 is kadang dapat budgeto nimo ang dapat tuga na eh.
Budgeto mo.
Okay.
Budgeto.
Talk about money.
You can apply this. Okay, you can apply this concept in budgeting. Noreen?
Yes, ma'am.
Budgeting, very good. Okay, we're done with the TLE. How about English? Isa nag-answer atong English. Yes, it can be.
Science.
By English, it can be. Okay, who can explain sa English? Ano pwede na to siya ma-apply ang sa English? When?
Ma'am.
Okay, ma-apply na to na siya. Okay, kani siya nga concept ma-apply na to siya sa English by what? By what? Reading comprehension. By
Okay, malising man ang mga kuan.
Yes, by solving word problems. If you
Yes,
cannot understand or comprehend the given situation, you cannot come up with a correct answer. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So therefore, we can integrate this concept or this topic in subject English. How about ESP? Who can explain? We will integrate this topic to ESP. How? By? By what?
Kanang pag-values sa imong money, ma'am?
Very good. Value of money. Na atay magka-save ta kay if you value your money, dili na ta makautang-utang. Very good.
Naka-answer agad ko.
Answer. Okay. Yes, naka-answer agad si Monding the value of money. Nakaroon we have to be consider also sa ato ang financial nato no mag-budget kita
Yes,
para
ma'am.
dili na magka-utang-utang. Okay, very good. How about, so katong kito'y nag-answer ganina sa science. So, ano na siya pag-apply sa science, ang concept sa positive sa integer sa science.
Chemical. Sa chemical.
Physics.
Mga molecules, ma'am.
Yeah, molecules, very good.
Chemicals.
Na positive charge and negative charge. Right, very good. So, makakunik gihapon ta sa science, okay? Kung ato siyang i-elaborate, i-summarize nato, we're done with English, TLC,
Yes.
science,
ESP.
ESP. How
Pilipino
about,
ay wala.
how about MAPI? Can you integrate this concept in MAPI? Adding and subtracting integers or kani siya nga situation?
BIM, ma'am.
BIM?
BMI.
BMI.
Sorry.
There's a calculation sa BMI. Given time signature, ma-adapt yapon nato si mathematics sa MAPI. Very good.
MAPI.
Filipino and English, pwede sila. Pwede sa i-integrate. Why? Kaya ang Filipino, Tagalog lang, English is English. But still, the comprehension, naagihapon diha ma-integrate nato ang comprehension. Because you cannot solve a word problem without comprehension. Lagi siya ang reading and comprehension mo sulod. Very good. Kasi hurot na tanan, di ba? Tanan nga subjects ba? We're done? Tanan subjects. 7 mathematics can be integrated to 7 subjects. It's very important kaayo. Kay dili lang ta mo hit sa isa ka subject, pwede ta mo touch sa other nga subject. That is integration. Integration sa ato ang topic. Okay? So much for that. So let us proceed to the next. Okay, next slide. Okay? This activity, no? This activity number 4 entitled Frozen shows the situation wherein the basic concepts in subtracting integers are being applied. Okay, so I want again Noreen read the situation.
Queen Elsa of Arendelle has the magical ability to create and manipulate ice and snow. Before the day of her coronation, the temperature within Arendelle was negative 20 degrees Celsius. But since she could not control her powers yet, she unintentionally sent Arendelle into an eternal winter on the very night of her coronation, bringing the whole kingdom's temperature down to negative 30 degrees Celsius and continued to go down by 8 degrees Celsius after 5 hours.
Okay, I will repeat the situation. Queen Elsa of Arendelle has the magical ability to create and manipulate ice and snow. Diba? Murag ko na kaya taning Frozen nga salida, diba? Tanan siguro mo nakatan-aw, no? Is this your favorite movie, Frozen?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Dili.
Dili. Favorite
no.
nakakita mo. Pero have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, If you
Ma'am.
have already seen this movie, you can relate what I am talking about. Okay, go again, ha? Queen Elsa of Arendelle has a magical ability to create and manipulate ice and snow. Before the day of her coronation, the temperature within Arendelle was negative 20 degrees Celsius. So, frozen. So, tugnaw yung kanin siya, no? So, na-ice na siya, kay negative ba siya? Negative 20 degrees Celsius, so ice ka siya. But since she could not control her powers yet, she unintentionally set Arendelle into an eternal winter on the very night of her coronation, bringing the whole kingdom's temperature down to negative 30 degrees Celsius, and continued to go down by another 8 degrees Celsius after 5 hours. Okay, so this is now the situation. Next, I'm going to give you the questions. Taran. Okay, there are 3 questions now. What will be the new temperature of Arendelle after 5 hours of continued winter? Anybody from the group? Anybody from the group? To answer question number 1? How about I want Junie, I want Junie. Junie? Wala si Junie. How about Mondin? Mon. I want
Ma'am.
Raymond. Another hit. Yes.
Ma'am.
What is your answer for number 1, Mon? Yeah, answer for number 1. What will be the
Ma'am,
new
pila kay itong
temperature of
last nga
Arendelle after
temperature?
5 hours of continued winter? Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
this
pila kay
one,
itong
I will
last
show you. Okay, ay nala sa screen.
1, ma'am. 3 degrees Celsius.
What? What's the answer?
3 degrees Celsius.
3 degrees Celsius. Dili siya ang correct na answer mo. Okay, another volunteer aside from Raymond.
Negative 34, ma'am.
Negative what?
34.
Why?
Kung siya, ma'am, gi-plus na ko ang duha ka negative, then gi-minus ang 8. Ay, first gi-plus na ko ang duha negative. So, equals 50.
Yes.
Since negative man siya, nakadayon 8. So, minus negative 50 plus 8 plus negative 42.
Okay. Kindly focus on the words go down. It represents what?
Negative.
Negative.
O, diha mo masangit. You have to analyze the situation and continue to go down. Where's it to go down?
Negative. Negative.
Ito sa
Negative 22.
another what? Another negative 8, right?
50.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is now the new temperature? Okay. What
Negative.
will be the new temperature of Arendelle after 5 hours of continued winter?
Negative.
Negative 2.
Negative.
Negative 22.
Very good. Negative 58. Kaya nagkaalam sa og ka-frozen, right?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, nagkaalam na siya og ka-frozen.
Ay, nandungaga
So,
na siya.
nagkaalam.
How do you
Because of go down nga keywords. Go down keywords. Keywords nga go down manding.
Yes, ma'am.
O go down pa magid nagkaalam ka. Oh,
Baba.
from negative 20 degrees Celsius, giabot din siya og negative 30 pa gid siya. So, gidungagan pa gid siya negative 8 pa gid after 5 hours. So, the new temperature now is negative 58 degrees Celsius. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ano na siya ang answer for number 2? How did you get this temperature?
by adding the three given numbers.
Okay. So, mag-wonder ka, ma'am, nganong nag-add ta nga subtracting integers man eh. So, that's why, mahibaw-an na siya ang concept until nga we go further sa atong discussion. Okay, number 3, what is the temperature of the Arendelle before Elsa turned it into winter?
Negative
Okay,
20 degrees Celsius.
Okay, what is the answer?
20 degrees Celsius.
Very good.
20 degrees Celsius.
Very good. Your answer is correct. Nag-start kita sa negative 20 degrees Celsius. Nadungagan hangtod nga na frozen gid siya. Okay? So thank you for your answers. So let us proceed. Analyze again example number 2. Find the difference of the following. After analyzing the example number 2, then I will give you. Okay. For number 1, positive 10 minus positive 6 equals positive 4. Why?
Kay,
Okay, Queenie?
same man sila.
Subtract man, ma'am.
Minus
Okay.
10.
Same man. guys.
Same silag sign, then proceedin ka.
Okay, very good. Pag same siya og sign, ato siyang
Proceed.
Subtract.
I-add.
subtract
Ay,
din.
subtract. Sorry.
Subtract mo din. Okay. Then, minusan na to siya sa positive 6. The answer is positive 4. Kaya pareha man sila og sign, ato siyang i-subtract. Automatically, subtract the two integers. And still copy the common
Sign.
Very good. How about number 2? Nagdoble ako number 2. Okay. Number 2A. O A lang na siya. Positive 4 minus positive 9. The answer is negative 5. Why?
Mas dako ang 9.
Kay dako man. Ay, gamay man ang 4 kaysa 9, ma'am.
Dako ang agamay man ang 4 kaysa
9.
Very good. 4 is less than 9. Positive 4 is less than positive 9.
9.
So, I set nga nahimo siyang negative 5.
Copy ang sign.
Copy and sign. Are you sure they are all
Kay
positive?
gisubtract man, ma'am.
I-subtract, ma'am, then copy. Copy ang sign sa biggest nga number.
Copy the sign sa biggest na number?
Purot man na sila positive.
Or I will give
Ay,
you...
utang man na, ma'am.
very
Utang man
good.
sa negative.
Negative.
Okay, I will give you the
Sa oy.
situation. Okay, I will give you the situation. Listen, Munding. I will give you a situation. I have 4 pesos in my pocket, and I want to buy, I want to buy a snack worth 9 pesos. O, unsa man ako nga makakaon ko atong nga snack.
Tutungon ang 5.
Utang tag 5. So, ang utang is what? Positive, negative?
Negative.
Negative. So, positive 4 minus positive 9 equals negative 5. Why? Because the minuend is less than the subtrahend. If the minuend is less than the subtrahend, then the answer is negative. Okay. Number 2B. Negative 3 minus negative 2 equals negative 1.
Same sign.
Same sign, very good. All you have to do is what?
Proceed to subtraction.
Proceed to subtraction, then
Copy the common sign.
Copy that.
Queenie.
Ito ka
If the two integers having same sign, all you have to do is subtract, then follow the common sign. How about number 3?
Kuan, ma'am.
Why is it positive 5? Gulat tayo.
Kuan man
Basta
na.
ko tama.
For lesser man sa nag-una kay og sa 9 lesser man ang number sa 4 og sa 9. Ya, yes man sila sign na nangutang naman sa ng 4 sa 9, so positive 5.
Okay, try to observe number 2A and number 3. Try to observe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same sign ang positive 4 o positive 9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Same sign. Okay. So since positive 4, paki-unmute sa inyong microphone, please. Unmute lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try to observe number 2A and number 3. Yes, number 3. Okay, number 4, positive 4 minus positive 9. Take note, positive 4 is less than positive 9. And yet, positive 4 is minuend and positive 9 is subtrahend. That's why the resulting sign is negative.
Negative.
How about number 3? Opposite siya. The given for the given for number 2, we have positive 4. The given for number 3 is negative 4. Same operation minus. Then for number 2, positive 9, and number 3, negative 9. So therefore, they are opposite, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
ang answer nimo sa number 2 is negative 5. The answer nimo sa number 3 is positive 5 because they are opposite.
Sit.
Okay, nakuha idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us proceed to number 4. 2 minus negative 4 equals positive 6. Number 2, number 4, and number 5. Same na siya.
Unlike man sila design,
Unlike
ma'am.
sign, very good. Pag unlike sign or the two integers having different signs, what you're going to do?
Proceed to addition.
I-add siya, then what you're going to do with the sign?
Biggest number.
Oh, do not say bigger. That is addition of integers. Lahi ang rule sa
Subtrahend.
ato angay buhaton.
Copy the sign of the subtrahend.
Copy the sign of the
Minuend.
subtrahend or minuend.
Minuend.
And proceed to
Addition.
right? Okay. Number 4. Okay, number 4. 2 is positive, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, the resulting sign is also positive. Okay. Then 2 plus 4 equals
Positive 3.
6. Okay. Number 5. The minuend sign is negative.
Negative.
Okay. Then the resulting sign is also negative. Proceed to addition. 7 plus 5 equals
12.
12. Okay. For number 6 and number 7, since we're talking about 2 or more integers, imo siya, kasama na to. Himay-himayon.
Himay-himayon.
Abot mo sabot, step by step na to. Unahon sa nato si positive 14 minus negative 10. Ang difference, ana, may atong i-subtract ni negative 5. Hinay-hinay lang ta na. Ayaw ipang rambol. Kaya diha na din mo libog. Okay. Positive 14 minus negative 10. Dili sila pareha og sign. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, atong i-subtract. Okay.
Negative
14 is positive. So, the resulting sign nato is positive. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
14 plus 10.
24.
24.
So, positive 24 na ang resulta. Positive
Yes, ma'am.
24 minus negative 5. Dili na po sila pareha og
Sign.
right? Okay. So, unsaon na nato? What is the sign of 24? Positive, negative?
Positive.
Very good. So, ang atong resulting sign nato is positive. Okay. 24 plus 5.
29.
29.
So, the resulting sign, the result or the difference now is positive 29.
29.
Oh, who can elaborate number 7? Any volunteer? For number 7. Okay, I want Lorraine. Please mute the microphone except Lorraine. Okay, kindly mute the microphone, except Lorraine. Lorraine, number 7, kindly elaborate. Step by step then. As what we did earlier.
14 minus 12. Yes, pa.
Please mute your microphone, except Lorraine. Hello, my dear students. Please mute your microphone. Okay, I will allow only Noreen. Okay, Noreen, can you
Yes,
explain it
ma'am.
number 7?
Nawala ang slide ra.
Nawala ang slide?
Nara, ma'am.
Okay.
Negative 12. Yeah.
Okay, negative 14 minus positive 12. Dili sa pareho ang sign Noreen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's the answer?
Negative 26.
Yes, very good. Negative 26 minus positive 7.
Minus positive 7 equals negative 33.
Very good. Negative 33 minus negative 16.
Negative 17.
Okay. Right? Negative 17. Why? Because negative 13 minus negative 16 equals negative 17. Very good. So, step by step ang inyong pag-answer. Ayaw irambol-rambol kay mo na ikuan diha ka ng time nga masayop ka. Step by step. Okay. So, as a recap again ha, for number 1, positive 10 minus positive 6 equals positive 4. Number 2A, positive 4 minus positive 9 equals negative 5. Okay, number 2B, negative 3 minus negative 2 equals negative 1. Number 3. Kindly mute your microphone, please. Okay, number 3, negative 4 minus negative 9 equals positive 5. Number 4, positive 2 minus negative 4 equals positive 6. Number 5, negative 7 minus positive 5 equals negative 12. Okay, number 6, positive 14 minus negative 10 minus negative 5 equals positive 29. And the last one, negative 14 minus positive 12 minus positive 7 minus negative 16 equals negative 17. So, let us proceed. Rules. Okay, I will read the rules now. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
Yes. If the integers have the same signs, just subtract, then attach the common sign to the result. The same what you give me the number 1, number 2A, 2B rather. Okay. If the integers have different signs, just add and follow the sign of the menu with. Dapit na to ani. If the integers now. So we have number 4 and number 5. Okay. And again, if the integers have different signs, just add and follow the sign of the minuend. So, mas follow yun ang sign ni minuend kaysa man ang follow ka sa sign ni minuend kaysa ni subtract. Okay, those are the 2 rules in subtracting integers. Now, the next slide. So, the next slide. Okay, activity number 5. Use the rules to subtract integers. Okay, try to answer it from 1 to 8. Okay, for number 1, Munding, I want Rimon. Mon, answer for number 1.
Ito ni ganina, ma'am?
Yes, difference. Find the difference of the following. Positive 14 minus positive 5. What is the answer, Munding? One.
Loading.
Loading. Okay, loading. How about Glyza? Gly. What is the answer for number 1? Glyza? Wala si Glyza. How about Ronnie? Ronnie is on board? Wala response. So how about Mary Rose Umpo? Number 1. This is very easy.
9.
Okay, the answer is what?
9.
Positive. Let's make it complete. Positive.
9.
Okay, positive 9. Very good. How about number 2? Number 2 is Abigail. Same sign, Gail. For number 2. Okay, nawala sa Abigail. How about Johnny? Johnny, number 2.
33, ma'am.
What?
Negative 33.
Okay, kindly check now your operation. Kaya sila sign, Jo.
Negative 1.
Okay, very good. Negative 1. How about number 3? Number 3 is... Okay, Queenie. Try number 3, Queen. Queenie?
Sama na.
Oh, number 3. Wala si Queenie? Okay, let's go back to Noreen. Number 3 rin. Nawala si Noreen.
3. 38, ma'am.
Okay, we have positive
38.
38. Very good. Ituloy-tuloy na lang, Ren. Number 4.
Number 4 is negative 45.
Very good.
Number 5 is
Number
positive.
6.
Number 6 is positive 48.
Very good. For Queenie. Queenie is around.
When?
What? Queenie.
Naman si Queenie.
Si Queenie. Basi compute pa si Queenie. O, Queen, imo ang number 6. Okay, lahusan na. Number 6.
Isa, mama.
Okay, what is your answer for number 6? Okay, prepare no rin. Imo ang 7 of 8 rin.
Positive 33, ma'am.
Positive 33 for number 6. Okay,
Ma'am?
let's try to solve. Okay, Queen, 20 is positive, then 31 is negative. Unsa mo buhaton?
Kuan, ma'am.
I-add.
I-add sila.
What is the result?
Positive 51.
Okay. Si positive 51, i-minus na nimo ni negative 8.
Ay.
Negative 8 rather.
Plus the ay.
Careful.
69, ma'am.
The answer is?
Positive 69.
Positive 69. So, akong ganyan ganina, step by step gid siya. Okay, very good. Number 6 is positive 69. How about number 7? Lorraine?
Negative 57.
Negative 57, correct. It's negative 57. How? So, negative 4 minus positive 32 rather is what? Negative 76.
76.
Negative 76 minus positive 7. So, pila? We have negative
69.
negative 83. Diba? 83 ba?
Negative 83.
Okay. So, negative 83 I-minus din nato ni negative 26. Pareho naman sila og sign, right? So, ato
Yes,
na din
ma'am.
i-subtract. So, 83 minus 26 is 57. Then the sign is negative. So, the final answer is what? Negative.
50.
Okay, negative 57.
7.
Okay. Try with number 8. Okay, try number 8. It's either Noreen or Queenie. What is the
Isa.
answer? Oh, Aisa. Himay-himaya. Step by step, as what I've said. Ayaw black.
Positive 79, ma'am.
What?
Positive 79.
Okay.
Positive 69.
Positive
79.
59. Ato, hinahinayo na sad. Okay. 35 is positive, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then si 28 is negative. Pareho ba slag sign, dili?
Dili.
Okay, add. So 35 plus 28. We have 60.
63. Positive 63.
Positive 63.
63.
Positive 63 minus positive 11.
50.
52.
52.
Ah, sige. Positive negative.
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. Positive 52. Positive 52 minus negative 5.
Positive
Positive
52.
57.
Positive 57.
So the answer is
Positive 57.
very good. So, hinaya lagi ba? Dili nyo paspason. Kaya nga no, diha na din malipat sa sign. Okay. So the answer is positive 57. So okay, as a recap, the answer for the number 1 is we have
9.
9. Number 2 is negative 1. Number 3 is positive 38. Number 4 is negative 45. Number 5 is positive 48. Number 6 is positive 69. Number 7 is negative 57. And number 8, the last one is positive 57. Okay, that's all for this slide. Next, okay. Activity number 6 again. Activity number 6 shows the real application of the basic concepts of subtraction of integers in solving real-life problems. Okay, Monding, Mon, I want you to read activity number 6. Monding is around? Ramon?
Murag wala, ma'am.
Wala. Okay, I want Johnny.
Man deposit 53,400 pesos in her account and withdraw 19,650 pesos after a week. How much money of her money was left in the account?
Okay. So this is not a situation. Maan deposited 53,400 pesos in her account and withdrew 19,600 pesos after a week. How much money of her money was left in the bank? Okay, what is the answer? Any volunteer?
Positive 33,759.
Do not say positive. Kay, kuha naman siya.
33,750 pesos.
Okay, so the money left in her bank is how much, Noreen?
33,750 pesos.
Very good. Maan has money left in the bank, the amount of 33,750 pesos. Very good. So wala nakautang naapay nabilin gyud si Maan. Wala siya na overdrawn. May kang overdrawn na nanubra sa iya ang pag-withdraw. So naapay siya nabilin nga savings nga 33,750. Wala niya huruta tanan. Okay. So, same baghapon if we are going to integrate this situation to the other subject areas, still the seven subjects can be what? Can be integrated to this topic. Okay. Okay, okay. Example for okay, example again for TLE. Anybody from the group? Isa lang for TLE.
Budgeting.
Still,
Budgeting.
budgeting. O, budget kaya punta Munding. Same sa answer ni Munding ganina nga for ESP, we have to value our money.
Money.
Yes, we will not spend our money na dili sa need. Right? We will not buy item na dili gid siya ingon nga
Necessary.
yes, mo buy ta og item na adli needed gid nato siya. Dili siya wants but need. Lahi man tong wants, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
gani
ma'am.
or pala nato siya kanang naa ka pero gusto pag di mo. Pero katong need gyud siya nang wala gyud sa imo, di ba? So ipalit gyud nato nang wala gyud nato. Kinahanglan gyud nato sa solution. Pero kung naa pa, like for example, cellphone, naa na kay cellphone, pero gusto pa gyud kag another nga cellphone na dili na siya
Needs.
dili na
Wants
siya
na
need
siya.
siya. So we have to value our money according to Munding. We have to save our money just in case na naatay panginahanglan nun in the future, especially nowadays when we are experiencing the money.
So, big win, ma'am.
Same with Happy, same example kung yung dimension ganina, all the rest of the 7 subjects, we can integrate this concept, basic concepts in solving real life problems. Okay, all right. Now it's time for you to what? Divide. Okay, I will divide you into 3 groups. Okay, to perform the group activity. Okay, as what I've said. Okay, group leader for number 1 is Lorraine. Okay, and the members are Charlie and Abigail. For number 2, we have Queenie as the leader. Then members, we have
Ma'am, abel ako.
Munding, of course, Munding and Mary Rose. Dito ka kay
Yes.
Nawala ko kasi.
And group number 3, the leader now is Maglangit, Juni. Ang iyang members dahil kay si Glyza nga Salvan. Isa wala na ako na-mention, Ronnie, in and out si Ronnie.
Ma'am,
Isa wala na ako na-mention. Okay, dito ka kay Johnny.
Ako po, ma'am.
Johnny?
Isa
Joanny.
wala na ako na-mention.
Ay, ma'am.
Ako, ma'am.
Isa nga ako.
Kay Joanny ko, ma'am?
Joanny ka
Si
na-
Charmaine, si Jeannie.
Oh, si Charmy,
Oh.
si Lorraine. Kay Lorraine ka.
Si Jeannie.
Ma'am, Ginny.
Ay, si Jeannie. Okay, Jean, dito ka kay Queenie. Kaya taga-talao mo.
Ay, ma'am,
Okay,
sa ganito akong members, ma'am.
Ah?
Akong members kay si Mundeng, si Mary Rose, o si Ginny.
Queenie. For Lorraine, we have Charmaine, Abigail, and
Mura.
Ora. Then for Johnny, we have Glyza and Ronnie. Wala na yun ako nalimpan.
Wala
Okay.
na.
This is your group activity, okay? I will group you into 3 groups and perform this activity. This is how the mechanic, no? I want you to perform this task to indicate that you have learned from this session. So, ang first na group, ang makakuha sa correct nga answer, tanan-tanan, I will give you 15 points.
ginawala kong signal yan.
The second group, ang maka-come up with the correct answer, I will give you 10 points. And the third group, 5 points. Okay? You will be given 2 minutes to answer each. I will give you 2 activities. Each activity, tagaan po 2 minutes to answer. If mahuman mo, wala pa 2 minutes, very good. So, pag answer ninyo, pwede mo answer sa chat box, katong maulahi, katong diretso ka answer. So, pwede just raise your right hand. Then, answer you and give your answers.
Pasok na mo, sir.
Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, time start. Okay. Muna siya ang inyong kuanan. Sa answeran.
What goes up but never comes down?
2 minutes lang. Hindi nyo makita kung timer, no? May timer sa next slide. Kelly, copy. Okay, I have my timer. Pero di na ninyo makita sa next na, sa next na slide. So I will not use anymore the timer. Okay? Answer na? Who can give the correct answer? Okay, this is for the riddle. What goes up but never comes back down? Okay, the first group will give the correct answer. Of course, you have corresponding of 15 points. Ang dili makaapas, sulat lang sa chat box. Okay, while waiting for your answer, I will take this opportunity to say thank you to my ever and good supportive observers, Ma'am Nami, Sir Junpel, and Ma'am Choi. Thank you so much for your support to make this online session become successful. Now, thank you so much. Okay, any who can give the correct answer?
Huh? 17, ma'am.
This is a riddle. Okay, sabi ni Saya pa, tigmo agokoy ug maarata mag-asoy. Okay? Time is up? Not yet? What is the correct answer, Queenie?
Your age.
What? Okay, very good. The answer is your age.
Your age. Queenie.
Oh, Queenie, very good. The answer is your age. So, ang imong yung edad,
Dili na mo balik.
saka, pero dili na na mo.
Balik. Ubos.
Dili na na mo ubos. So, the answer is your age. Group number 2. So, sunod na sa, how about group 1 and 3?
Your age, ma'am.
Your age.
Oh.
Ayaw po na ko nakuha.
Dili na nakuha. So, nagdungan si Junie o si Noreen. Very good, no? Your age. So, group 1, group 2 ang nakakuha sa 15 points. And then, natay si group 1 and group 3. Very good. So, naanay 15 points ang group 2. Then, 1 and 3, ano na mo 10 points. Another one. Wala na ako nagpasa timer. Wala din yung timer. Okay, walay kopya. Okay, this one. Here we go. Please write down, then I will give you the kuanda yun. Diba?
72.
Track negative 50 from 24.
Okay, sige, kindly copy. If you are done, I will give you the timer. Para ma-kuan yun tanan.
7 up.
Ah?
7.
So, kindly copy. Hurry up. Then
7.
I will give you the timer.
7.
87 less than
7.
7, ma'am.
Are you done? Ha?
7.
Wala na sila yung answer.
7.
Wala na
The
sila
answer
gasol.
is- the answer is-
Wala
Group.
na sa answer.
What
Wala
group
na
ang
gasol.
nakauna? What
7.
group ang nakauna? Group ino ni Ren?
Group nila Queenie.
Ang nakauna?
Yes, ma'am.
How about ang imong grupo? Second.
Si,
How about grupo ni Junie?
7, ma'am.
Okay, so kamo ang number 3, Jo?
Ambot lang, ma'am.
Ah? Ikaw may una, dito ba? No, ikaw maulay gito bagso. Ang number 2 gihapon silang Queenie, pero gyud din sa Queenie oy attentive kani nga
Grabe,
grupo.
27 dito.
Oh, 7 dito. Okay, so the answer is 7. Why? Kaya ang negative 105 dito siya sa S. Positive 82 dito siya sa E. Okay. Asa man E ani dapit? Diri sa pinakalaston, how much is 0 decreased by negative
Negative
82?
82.
Okay, so V ang 74. Negative 55 ang first E nga 37 less than negative 18. And the last one is ang positive 96 and subtract negative 31 from positive 65. Wow, very kuan gikay mo. Anang attentive kaayo ni nga mga students. So congratulations. Okay? Okay, this is your assignment. Enrichment in one whole sheet of paper. Dili na siya magkuan even in one na lang. In a long bond paper na lang, na write a reflection pertaining to the discussed topic. Okay, so what I have learned so far. So you have to send your answer to my email account. Hello, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so this is now your
Is
enrichment.
that sa bond paper, ma'am?
No, write it in, no, it's not in bond paper. Sa kanya to ba? Isip ko lang ko yung isip ka namin sa akong email na account.
Ma'am.
Soft copy lang.
Okay.
Unsay mo ko na?
Long. Ang size, long size. Then, double space para mas dali na ako siya kuhaan ka na bitong chikan. So, double space, then one whole nga paper, then send it to my email account. Okay, so much for this morning, no, this session.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay na ta. Okay, done with the assignment, our agreement. No more questions or queries regarding our assignment. Done so far?
None
Yes,
so
ma'am.
far.
Okay, so that's all for this session. And thank you.
Yes,
See you
kapangiyog
next
tunay ko.
and goodbye. Kaayo si Mundo si Ronnie. Okay, so again, see you next session and goodbye. May God bless us all. And keep safe always. Ayaw sa mo. Okay,
Ano?
safe.
Assignment na.
Ayaw sa mo out ha.
Assignment na.
Peter.